We all has worked here, but I had not seen a crowd like this coming and helping us. We as a body has worked tirelessly from morning till night till early morning. Next day again coming and doing that work which we need to do, which we are entitled to do, people has put faith in us. So आमी तें काम केल्लें आसा इन पेंडेमीक. कोणाक कितें पावना, कोणाक कितें जावना जाल्यार कोणें उलोवंक जातालें, बट कोणें कांय सांगूंक ना. आमी आमकोडें कितें जाता पळय ते भाशेन रेशन जावं मेडिकल हेल्प, even water, when water was not there, we have seen that people stay home, we have done the work. And I need to congratulate my team, which includes our punch members, which includes our volunteers who are very silent. We have not put any post or videos baba हे केलें ते केलें म्हणून. आमच्या मध्ये आमी डिस्कस केलें, आमच्या मध्ये वॉलंटियरां कडेन डिस्कस केलें, कोणाचो डिमांड आसा खंय कितें करूंक जाय तें ऑलरेडी आमी करून ताका सॅटिस्फाय केल्लें आसा. एज अ बॉडी वी हॅव डन डेव्हलपमेंट पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू. देर वर डिमांड्स फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ. आय एम टॉकिंग फ्रॉम वॉर्ड 1 टू वॉर्ड नंबर 6 and from ward number 8 आमचो 9 till ward number 3. This is a composition of our panchayat of 11 wards, and we have done development works. I am talking about hot mixing, which started from where people of Mashadakov had come, and we had promised them that we would deliver them. We have delivered. From Rosary High School, that road which is going to the school, which we had promised, we have delivered. From Odshel going down, the road going down, hot mix was delivered. Adarsh road was delivered. Karanzale road was delivered, hot mix. Keone, Nagali, Satismo, Nagali Hills, what was promised is delivered. This is our achievement of roads completed. And what is yet to come, other roads I'll mention. One is this road, Sapalacho road, Magir Cemeterycho road, Ayawamaik road, which is not part of Panchayat, but still it is part of the constituency. That is coming up. Sapalacho old road will be completed as soon as possible. Ye pausa payli ami target korta. There is a budgetary head where we have worked with the MLA and CM and PM, Minister for PWD, and we have achieved this with all your support. कोणाक त्रास जाला आसतले, कोण आयज हॅपी आहा आसतले हें काम जालां म्हणून. So I congratulate everybody for this, because this is an achievement what we have done. Second thing, regarding our agriculture. Agriculture is an industry where most of the people are enjoying. आयज आमची agriculture, आमचो भाव भयणी शेतां रोयता, आनी ती शेतां रोयता एकूच कारण तेंच्या पोटाक भूक लागला म्हणून. आनी ते आयज हें गमलें आमकां हें पेंडेमीक जाला पळय तेन्ना, आनी हे लोक रोयताले. थोडे आयज न्यू स्टार्ट जाल्ले आहा. कित्याक न्यू स्टार्ट जाल्ले आहा? आमकां बेलगांवची भाजी हिंगा मेळोन आसली, ट्रक हाडचे पडले बेलगांवसान. आमचे पळय कोण शेतकार आसले पळय तांची आमी ते सांगता पळय ती रेटीन तेंचे सामान घेतलें आनी लोकांक दिलें. थोड्यांक फ्री दिलें, थोड्यांक सोसायटीनी दिलें, आनी तांकां हेल्प केलें. आयज फार्मरान कोणेंच कंप्लेन करूंक जायना की पंचायतीन कांय करूंक ना म्हणून. स्किम्स हाडून तेंच्या हाती कडेन दिल्यो, घरा कडेन दिल्यो, शेतांनी दिल्यो. स्किम्स म्हणटा हांव कित्याक, कोणाक बीं जाय, कोणाक सारें जाय, कोणाक ट्रॅक्टर जाय, कोणाक आमचे हेल्प जावं, टिलिंग करपाक जाय, हो हेल्प आमी तांकां दिलेलो आहा आनी आमी सदांच दितले. डे 1 सान आमी ही प्रोसेस करून येयलेलो आहा आनी आमी करतले. एचिवमेंट उलोवपाक खूब उलोवंक जाता. उलयता आसतना हांव एकूच पॉयंट परतून एक डेव्हलपमेंटाचेर हाडटा. ज्यो ओपन स्पेसीस मॅडमीन पळय आमी इतल्यो सिक्युअर करून दवरलेल्यो आहा, त्यो सिक्युअर करून जेनिफर मॅडम पयलीं पंच मेंबर आशिल्ली, ZB जाली, आयज MLA आहा ती. शी नोज वॉट इज द इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ अ कम्युनिटी गेट टुगेदर. शी नोज द इम्पॉर्टन्स वॉट इज अ कम्युनिटी गॅदरिंग इन अ सोसायटी. And your open spaces, eyes, credit should go to her. Because all these open spaces are compounded. And I had said to the last time for my Gram Sabha that there is a priority on 10 open spaces which we have achieved and which we are doing. You can see the result. You can see the result if you go in your individual areas. I have a few pictures of our gardens what they look like today. There are special team which is kept to clean these gardens. Special teams to clean these gardens because we know how important it is to have it clean and utilized by the society. It is not for me, it is for you all. तुमची एरियन गार्डन आहा तेजो बरो उपयोग करपाक तुमचे भाग्य जावन आसा. ती कमिटी केलेली आमी आहा थिंगा. बट कमिटी करून सांगले म्हणून रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दिली म्हणून नो वन कम्स फॉरवर्ड टू डू समथिंग फॉर द कम्युनिटी. आमीच करूंक जाय. काल कोण म्हणटा कोविड जाला, यू ओनली गो अँड पिक द गार्बेज. दिस इज द एटिट्यूड ऑफ द पीपल. बट I am happy to do and we are happy to do. We have gone to COVID situation. We have been COVID patients. So secretary, myself, and most of our members also, we did not shy away. Even today, we took that vaccine. Next day, we were there for the next vaccination drive. And we, as members of Panchayat, we as taking the responsibility of the Panchayat, we have covered 623 and second day we have done is 702, which is highest in Goa. See, we take a pride in doing things for the people, not for us. We have not even mentioned that. I'm mentioning it to you. I don't want to mention to the world. I don't want to mention it to whole Goa. I want to mention it to the people of Talegaon who has reposed faith in us, and that's what we are giving them back. Thank you for that. So these are the open spaces. हांव थोडे दाखयला तुमकां, and whoever has anything you can question me on that. Regarding fields, I was going through where last year आमकां एका शेतकार येवन सांगून गेल्ले आसा आमची शेतां बरी लीप जालेली आसा. कित्याक लीप करूंक मेवली म्हणून? कित्याक वाव बरे साफ केल्ले आहा म्हणून. आनी वाव साफ करता आसतना इट इज नॉट ओन्ली वन वाव, देर आर n नंबर ऑफ वाव्स. सगळे विलेजींनी एरिया वायज ते वाव आहा आनी आमी वर्सान वर्स इतली वर्सां जावन आमी करून येयल्ले आहा. लास्ट इयर हांवें सांगलेलें हांव 2 आमचो एक ऑक्झिलियम रोड हेजो हांव फातरांनी बांदतलो म्हणून. आय वॉन्ट टू प्रोटेक्ट दॅट एज अ हेरिटेज. आयज वाव तर आमी बांदून काडले, तुका आनी फुडें ते वसोवपाचें ना. आमी दुसरे वाव कंक्रिटान केल्ले आसा, हो आमी फातरांनी करपाचो केल्लो आहा. तो मातसो फाटीं पडलेलो आहा बिकॉज ऑफ पॅन्डेमीक. वी हॅव रिस्टार्टेड दॅट प्रोसेस. आनी हे वाव तर आमी साफ करी जाल्यार कोणाच्या शेतांनी कांय उदक उरना, रोखडेंच जावन गेल्लें आहा. सेक्रेटरीकूय खूब जाण लोक येवन सांगलेले आहा आमच्या शेतान एक फावटी उदीकूच ना मरे, पावस कितलो पडलो. थोडे दीस आसपाक व्हेरी इजी, बसून येयलो म्हणून करून जातलें तेन्ना पळोवपाक जाय कोणें कितें केलां पळय तें. You want achievement, I'll give you achievement. So these points of few oversight I'm giving तुमचे नदरे काडटा आनी म्हाजी 2 उतरां सांगून आनी तुमचें कॉपरेशन अशेंच मेवचें म्हणून हांव देता आनी फुडें मेवतले म्हणून तुमकां देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. I'm coming to the proposal of Sean. Sean is here. Yes, Sean. You have said that there is sewage left in Talegaon fields. One is sewage left in the Talegaon field. Second is should prepare a development plan and supervisory and development committee. सी रिगार्डींग सिवेज लेफ्ट आउट आमी लास्ट टायम मिटींग घेतिल्ली आनी मिटींग घेतलेली तेन्ना आमी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंट विच एवर फॉल्स आमची CCP एरियाक पडटा आनी तांकां पळय ते एरिया पडटा पळय तांची कमिटी करून तांकां सजेशन मागलेले तेणी नोटिसीस दिलेल्यो आसा तांकां ते बंद करपाक वी ऑलवेज डू आमी सिमेंट घालून बंद करता इवन द पोरस्ट ऑफ द पोअर वी हॅव डन अँड वी हॅव डन सोपीट फॉर देम आमच्या कॉस्टाचेर सोपीट कित्याक गटरांनी लेगून दिल्यो जाल्यार कितें जाता गटरान उदीक उरता आनी गटर उदीक व्हरोन मलेरिया डेंगू ह्यो इश्यूज जाता सो त्या एरियांनी लेगून आमी प्रपोज करून केलेल्यो आसा देर आर सम कम्युनिटी सोपीट्स वॉट वी हॅव डन and we have got that approval from collector to do those. Some toilets we have done where to be used during this pandemic through collector in certain areas. आणि आमचे common सुलाब toilet का पळय ते. So these are the things what we have proposed and we are following it and we will see that every area whichever you suggest or you bring it to our notice it will be taken care of. कित्याक म्हणटा हांव तुका आयज सिट्युएशन कोणा कडेन जागो ना ताका लागून कम्युनिटी सोपीत केल्या आनी मागीर आतां आमची सिवेज इज नियरींग कंप्लिशन बाय डिसेंबर दीस पीट शूड बी कंप्लिटेड सो दीस एरिया शूड बी रेडी आनीक 2 आमच्यो चालू आसा 2 सिंकींग वेल्स आनी 2 उरलेले आहा बिकॉज ऑफ लँड इज एन इश्यू. So the suggestion is that if anyone wants to help regarding that land, you also can come and meet us and give that suggestion. That's it.
Sarpanch, I think there are many areas that have been missed out. You are saying that you have taken action, but I had put a letter 1 year back that sewage is being discharged in my field opposite St. Michael's School. Till now there is no action.
Now we have checked on that. It is not sewage. It is Korsache Udav. It is not sewage water. No, it is not sewage.
Two things, if you go and stand at a vast matter, see whatever it is, it is not allowed to live in the storm drain.
Yeah, that's what I said. By December, आमची sewage complete जातली and all
now
these.
आता एक वर्ष कित्याक action घेवंक ना?
No, sir.
In that next to St.
No,
Michael's.
see, action in the sense, आम्ही action घेना. We write to the health. And health goes and conduct that survey and they give them warning and मागीर ते आयकना जाल्यार मागीर water and light water is disconnected.
Okay.
Which how we enforce it. There are few points. हांव ना म्हणना. There are another 2 points where I am working on. Overnight जायना ते. But this issue is been resolved.
No, it is not resolved.
No, resolved in the sense.
Resolved.
No, sewage water na.
Sewage
Yeah.
water now, but it is not water that should be in the fields.
ह्या पावसाक
Because we are cultivating those fields. उदक भरलें थिंगा.
ह्या पावसाक रोयता. I'll see that it is not.
उदक भरलें तेन्ना ते सगळें आमकां लागता. We are the ones suffering, Sarpanch. Please,
Yeah.
what I suggest is, why don't we have a survey of the entire Taligaon? I will help if whatever way I can. If you need any help from me,
No,
I can help.
Yeah, last time we had that. तुम्ही येलेले. तुमची
No,
टीम आली.
that was of
No.
agriculture department.
Yeah, agriculture and this all are interconnected. आयज agricultureचे तूं म्हणटा पळय ते आउटलेट कोणाचे लँडवर्ड सायड. It starts somewhere, it ends up somewhere.
Yeah,
So
but
we
I
will-
think
we will-
Panchayat should
We will
take
get it.
action on this.
We'll get it organized. तुझ्या पावसा पयलीं you will see that you. हे पावटी तरी शेत रोयलें तें. Next. Master, let him finish.
See, let me speak. So, what I suggest is, Sarpanch, let us have a joint inspection. I will be, if you form a committee, I will be part of the committee. I
म्हणजे ती
volunteer.
कोणाची येता पळय ती तूं बरोवन दी म्हाका. give those points where it is coming, because when we
No,
go,
I as an individual, I cannot do it. I need the authority with me.
when we go there is no water.
Where-
No, Atasa.
You want Atayam?
No, now it is there.
Yes, now it is there. That is why I am telling you, now it is there.
मातशें तूं टायमींग सांग तेजें केन्ना जाता तें we will get.
No timing, it's always there. It is always there. Let me speak.
See that inspection is already kept for the health department. त्या दिसा तुका intimate करता.
No, what I am suggesting, Sarpanch, is we have an inspection of all the fields. Wherever sewage, it's not, okay, my issue is there, but there are many other issues.
करपाक कांय ना.
So, करूया न्हू.
So हें लेटर केलेलें आहा आनी CCP will have a joint inspection.
We'll have a joint
Okay.
inspection. I am volunteering to come with you. We'll have a joint inspection and we'll take action because the farmers are, like how you said, this panchayat body is pro-farming. So let us solve this problem because it is a big problem.
Thank you.
There is also a report done for regarding the state pollution all over the Assam area.
See, he said already joint inspection in all areas, so that is covering them. Yeah. आणि कितें आहा?
Okay.
No,
That we can get along.
see, we will get it.
Second point of my proposal.
ना कितें सांगता ना.
Yeah. Second point, what development committee? In the last Gram Sabha also this point was brought up, and you all had agreed to have the what development committee. I think maybe because of pandemic or something it did not happen.
Ah, second.
काल थोडी थोडी दिवसात दिवसांनी इंडियाने ती साखर देतील बायला
तेंका रांदपाक वचपाक जाय सो ती देव बरें करूंक येयली म्हणपाक येयल्ली. सो एक्सक्यूज मी.
Yeah. So regarding the ward development committee and the supervisory committee, by when can we have these committees?
Committees are already in force. Committees are already there. If you, which one? See that
You, is there any information who is constituted in these committees?
or
Is there any information on hand who is constituted in these committees and when are the meetings conducted and what is the work done?
see to ban Constitution 2021. Date something. Who should form the committees? The Gram Sabha was already held that time. Hadley Paudi. So the committees are already here. You can verify this on the copy data. And if anyone wants to be part of it, you all can. Yeah. Minutes. See. These are not minutes. तुझे झाले एक मिनिट तुझे झाले let him finish. I will see. Baba, who is conducting now? Who is conducting now? No, who is conducting? No. Please.
Pundalit, please name the person who you are accusing. Please name the person. Huh? Please name the person. If you can't name them, sit down, please. This is wrong. Please don't instigate. I told you earlier also, please don't instigate. Yeah, don't instigate. You said you have accused the name. We want the name. We want the name. You please sit down. You please sit down. You please sit down. I am asking him to name. I am asking him the name.
Sarpanch ji, please. Lakshmi, please.
Once again. See, Mr. Kundalik. See, Mr. Kundalik. On the second instance, I raised the topic. That time you said you gave a vague figure of 46 lakhs when we were discussing the hall. I kept quiet because you are just misguiding the Gram Sabha members. You gave a figure of 46 lakhs of some hall expenditure and all earlier. See, you are not someone who can't come to the panchayat. The Gram Sabha and the... What should you put a name, we will record a statement. You put a name, we will record a statement. You can make next statement. Shall continue.
Sarpanch, what is the procedure by which this committee is selected? What is the procedure by which the committee is selected? Yes, Sarpanch. Yeah, I asked a question.
Again, Mashiyogi Raudinga. Quickly discriminate.
See, what development committees and supervisory committees are selected by Gram Sabha. Proper manner कसं it should be given on the agenda of the meeting. Agenda जर दिला उपरांत ती मागीर among the members, all Gram Sabha members तेंच्यांनी तो choose करपाचें. This is the system. आता ती जालें last Gram Sabha जाल्या उपरांत full year Gram Sabha जावंक नासली. So next Gram Sabha जाताना we'll give it on the agenda and accordingly all the Gram Sabha members तुम्ही मागीर ती select करपाची. No, तशें काय ना.
So, you said that committee is already formed.
See, no, विलेज पंचायत बॉडी आपणाची टेंटेटिवली आपूण काडलेली विलेज पंचायत आहा. दॅट हॅज नथिंग टू डू विथ द ग्राम सभा. ग्राम सभाक कितें करतले जेन्ना एजेंडा जर येयल्या उपरांत एजेंडा ग्राम सभाक तुमकां जाय ते तुमी चूज करा. Then we will record a approved and then the meeting starts. This is the procedure. बस ती तुम्ही वाढवून झगडी करतात एकामेका कडेन आनी प्रॉब्लेमाक क्रिएट करतात.
No, don't stray from the topic. So what do we do about the what
Next
development committee?
ग्राम सभा जुलायची जातली. इट वील कम ऑन द एजेंडा टू कितें म्हणटा ते टू अपॉइंट what development committee and supervisory committee for बेगीन पंचायत तालिगांव for 5 years आसतले. सो आतां तेन्ना येयल्यार मागीर तुमी चूज करा. इट वील बी ऑन द एजेंडा ऑफ द ग्राम सभा. गोश्ट करूंक जायना.
It's already, because he has already given the proposal. We can choose it today.
Yeah. ना proposal agenda, it should come on agenda. ती माहिती झगडी वाडयतले. Agenda.
So to conclude my proposal, as discussed, the joint inspection will be held of all the fields where water is discharged into storm drains. Secondly, what development committee? Thank you.
Nagali Hills, so colony residents, support. Can you come in front, please? Regarding fluctuation and power supply. See, this issue of electricity, because Michael, no, take it. You can sit. Yeah, regarding this erratic fluctuation and power supply, during last आमची ZP election time we had met. Yeah.
Very good morning, Sarpanch and members of the Punch. This is my first Gram Sabha and I'm
Thank you for coming.
Very happy to be here. I'm glad you've taken up the letter that I had written on the 12th. The first point that I mentioned was the power supply. Now the Nagali Hills colony and surrounding areas, not just the colony, but the surrounding areas too, have over the years faced very bad power situation. Alright, and on our side we have done everything possible, put in letters to the electricity department, met with the AE, had corner meetings with the JE, but there has been no improvement in the power situation. In fact, it's only got from bad to worse. We've had residents lose electrical appliances day after day. It's very bad. It's fluctuations and erratic. We cannot predict when the lights will go, how many times it will go, when it will go. So I'm pleading with you, can you in any way help us solve this problem? I understand you are not the electricity department, but help us here, please.
Yeah, thank you for that. Which we had last time and he had a meeting with the person you all had suggested, because everywhere we said you all have 2-3 members who can coordinate with us issues, and I think that was resolved then. Now since you have given me this again now, so let us have this next week meeting with AE, because in certain areas we had proposed new transformers to patch up with this fluctuation. One is Oitian, one is your area, and one is Green Rosary. These 3 areas, there is the work going on from the electricity department point of view, including underground cabling. So that is underground cabling, because first day that day rain came and there is started some issues was there, which we have already addressed to them. The maintenance work is going on, and we also doing the maintenance work of cutting the branches wherever required. So that I will get you the date when we can meet at the Nagali Hills. The second part?
So just to repeat, you are talking about a meeting with the Nagali Hills or with the AE?
With the Nagali Hills
Resident
people. Yeah.
Residents.
Yes.
Okay, the committee. All right, thank you. Now the next point is something that interferes with our daily life and our daily routine, is the number of stray dogs that are growing exponentially in Nagali Hills and the surrounding areas. It has made it impossible for residents to walk People who used to go, elderly citizens used to go for morning walks, evening walks, have stopped it. People are buying treadmills so that they don't have to step out of their house. Two-wheelers are becoming impossible to drive on our roads because stray dogs attack in packs. They are not being picked up for vaccination, they are not being neutered. So several times in the year, our dog population is increasing. And now between dogs is becoming a territorial problem. So we humans are in the house and our dogs are ruling the streets. I am not exaggerating. Just 2 weeks back, I was attacked by a pack of 5 stray dogs. And I've stopped morning walks totally because of it.
See, regarding this dog and the cattle menace, I would be very touchy on this. I am aggressive on things, doing things for the residents. But the law doesn't permit us to do what we want to do. So we have engaged the PAWS and the Mission Rabies, then the Chaligaon one. We had just had a meeting the other day. So we are working on modalities, how to get, because government sanctions are also curtailed by them for non-performance from them, because the survey here is done only for some 800 dogs, which not even, not 50, it is less than that. So we had a meeting with Dr. Lopez, and then he said that we need to give a survey. So then we gave a survey which is touching close to 5,000 dogs. Now that proposal is gone to the government because they need to sanction that amount for the conducting those vaccination, rabies, sterilization of the dogs. Other than that, we cannot do anything. We cannot take the dog from here and leave it in Taligaon, from there and put it here. Or we cannot take a dog from Karanjal and put it in Bambuli. So they need to go to the place where they are. So dog is a menace, I know. Cattle is a menace which we are working on.
No, but why do we need to move the dogs from one place to another?
I can't do. You give me the place. I suggested, I don't know, I should say it, but I suggested we should put all the dogs in cargo and send it to Nagaland. This is out of context.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah, it is inhuman, I know, but it is beyond our limits that we can do.
No,
So,
a very simple solution would be picking up the dogs, neutering them and putting them back on
yeah,
the
that's
streets
what we are
for-
doing. That's
Yeah.
it is done. It is done. I'll give you the record. If you come with, if you can come tomorrow, I'll give you the record of the number of dogs we have done.
When we went last in Nagali Hills Colony, you had said you'd send me that information.
No, you come. I'll give it to you.
Because the dogs
Okay.
in our area are not neutered, they're still multiplying.
See, there are certain locations we have identified and done. Colony is also there. Gabby is there. Everyone is coordinating. Indresh is there. So next time we'll put you also into that. We have a committee for that process also. Monitoring committee is there. Next is your maintenance of parks.
Yes. I will admit that parks are being maintained now better than before, alright? I will applaud you all on that point. But there is a lot more that can be done because whatever maintenance now that is happening, Sarkar Chegnelo, is happening at the request of the residents. No one comes automatically and maintains the park. Okay? I am personally involved with the maintenance of Nitya Park and I'm happy to do so. As a resident, I'm happy to cooperate with this. But the process in place is very long and arduous. Because when we put a request in, somebody comes in only after a week or two. The contractor takes no responsibility for the work that has to be done. Nobody supervises the work. The laborers are left there.
Garden. See, regarding garden, I have just shown you the pictures and I will not take no for that answer because the contractor is here and he's been doing a wonderful job. Yeah, so don't give a statement that on request. It is not on request. They are permanently situated there. You can take their attendance whenever you want.
Now, Sarpanch Chegnelo, where you have to be applauded, I am applauding you. But it is absolutely incorrect to say that they are located there. 100% no. I live there, so I know the situation.
Okay, you give a
One moment, let me
give a situation when I will come and let us inspect it
Please
together.
let me finish. Please let me finish. Vikas, even as he stands here, let me give you a small example so that you know the reality of things. Okay, I understand you're looking at 100 jobs, but this one project, let me give you a reality check. 2 weeks back, I started requesting for the cleaning of Nitya Park. The contractor sent 2 people after follow-up. 2 people, it's a huge park, 2 people with 1 broom. The other lady spent half the morning making a broom with the broken branches, which she couldn't use in the end. So I contacted Sydney again. The moment Vikas heard that I had contacted Sydney, he flew to the closest shop and got another broom. This is the kind of follow-up that is required by the resident. Please let me finish. Then after that, they barely worked for 1.5 days. Not even half the park was clean. Alright? And the laborers who come prefer to only clean the clean portion. What is dirty, what is a dump, they will not touch. The contractor does not come even once a day to supervise. And when I told him this, he says, Madam, I have 100 other jobs. He is here and I know what I am saying the truth and he will also agree.
See, that's what I said. If that monitoring committee, what we have suggested, if it is going on smoothly, these things should not have happened. I cannot be there 24/7 sitting.
I completely agree. I completely.
So,
I feel you all
this
need
is
to.
the monitoring which we need to do, and we'll do it.
Who we? Who's the we?
The panchayat and the committee.
Which committee? The Nagar.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we are sending in requests and nothing much is happening. Mr.
So what is pending now?
Now the cleaning of the park is still pending. What has been cleaned has not been removed. I've been asking Vikas, when will the vehicle come? He says, I am not in charge of the vehicle.
Lobo, Captain Lobo.
See, now you
See,
can-
we have Donna Paula 2 days. Thursday for La Oceana, and that left side of the road when you are going. And on Friday we have Nagali Hills and your area. So we have 2 days. So we'll coordinate and get it done.
Well, your contractor needs to be more responsible.
So that's the coordination.
Your contractor has to be
Coordination.
more responsible. No, but Mr. Sarpanch, you know what he does? He puts the blame on other people. And we as residents are left hanging. Alright? Residents are ready to help.
So we'll have that.
Okay, Mr. Sarpanch, residents are willing to help. But there is a limit to how much we can help to. Finally, the resources lie with you all.
Next.
And
Next.
you know, just
You're done.
one last. I am done. Just a small suggestion. You know, when they take so much of effort to clean the park, if they could get a signature from the person who's coordinating, like I'm ready to coordinate
So
from
you maintain the logbook.
to show that yes, we
Yes,
are satisfied
yeah.
with the cleaning, it has been
So that
completed.
is the main reason why we kept that monitoring committee from that area, because at least you can watch for it. You
I'm
can
not-
watch for what we have,
Yeah.
what my person has done.
Exactly. Now, I'm not
See,
aware of this
even garbage, we make it a point to take a signature. Understood now? Because sometimes what happened, it is collected, missed out. So
From who is signature taken for garbage, Mr. Sarpanch?
no, I mean I'm talking about societies.
Yeah, I'm from a society.
Yeah.
I'm
How many flags?
And I'm the secretary of the
How many
society.
flags?
16 apartments.
Uh.
16 apartments, and nobody has ever come to me for a signature.
No, we are doing, see, we are doing and we will do it. I will see that your garbage is having a problem.
Yes, there are
Yeah.
picked up.
What is the
apartments
problem?
done. It is not picked up completely. Days are skipped when it is picked up. I very
See, that's what I said. Now, if there is an issue, we have this committee where we can coordinate and get it done, and the signature is endorsed. So we will follow that process.
Because you said there are signatures
Yeah.
taken, nobody has come so far to take any signature from us.
Thank you. Xavier, regarding flooding of traditional ways, Santines Creek blocking, promises made to farmers.
First, Sarpanch, I would like to thank you. So first, Sarpanch sir, I would like to thank you for giving the JCB to construct the drain of the पावसाचें उदक येता पळय तें जें पयलीं आमचें शेतान सगळें भरून वावरान फ्लड जातालें आनी शेत रोवपाक मेळनाशिल्लें. सो आतां ते आमी वाट केला ती JCBन. सो थँक्यू फॉर दॅट. एन्ड आतां कितें जाता, आतां आमी ते रोयिल्लें आसा पळय, ते गोरवां येता खावपाक. सो मातशें तेंचें अरेंजमेंट करचें म्हणून.
थँक्यू म्हणून आय एप्रिशिएट तूं थँक्यू म्हणसर आमकांय काम करपाक करूं येता. थँक्यू फॉर दॅट. रिगार्डींग द कॅटल आमी ऑलरेडी दोग जाण मनीस रेडी केल्ले आसा वीच वी आर स्टार्टींग सून म्हणजे ह्या विकान ऑर बाय 1st ऑफ ताका ही इज एनरोल्ड आमचे पंचायतीचे मार्फत तांकां एंगेज करता. आनी ही पळय गोरवां हिंगा रस्त्यार येता पळय ती सगळीं कॅटल पावंडान वयतलीं नाल्यार पयलीं तांकां वॉर्निंग वयतलें. आनी तुमची शेतां पळय पाड जाता पळय ती त्या शेतकाराक रिस्पॉन्सिबल करतले. कोणाचें तर गोरवां तर सांपडलें फर्स्ट देर वील बी अ फायन. पयलें वॉर्निंग मागीर फायन. आनी तें फायन वील गो टू द पंचायतीक येवचें ना, तें फार्मराक वयतलें. सो दॅट प्रोसेस वी आर जस्ट फायनलायझींग. ताका सॅलरी कितली पळय ती तें आमचे लास्ट मिटिंगेन घेतलेलें आसा. कित्याक पयलीं मनीस घातलेले बट ते सॅलरीक लागून लोक रावना. सो ते दोग जाण आतां आमी ऑलरेडी आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा. ते आमी प्रोसेस करतले आनी जे पळय फायन येता पळय ते फार्मराच्या फंडार वयतले.
आनी कितें म्हणटले सर, थंय धडेचेर वयर व्हडली अशी धड ल्हान ना, धडेचेर वयर सगळी गार्बेज उडयता, कचरो उडयता, उश्टे उडयता आनी भाजी उडयता. थंय येता गोरवां आनी गोरवांक ते शेत हात आसता फुल्ली दिश्टी पडटा. आनी ती जवळ जवळ 3 मीटर उंची धडे वयल्यान ती पांय घालून बसून सामकी सकयल उडी मारून घेता ती गार्बेजीक लागून. आनी हे गार्बेजीक लागून ते कंट्रोल ना आनी तो लोक सांगल्यार सुद्दां आयकना. ती गार्बेज म्हाजे कडेन एक केल्ली आसा.
ना पळय हो इश्यू तुजोच न्हू, हो सगळ्यांचो. बरो लोक उडयतालो, बरो लोक घरांतल्यो आपूण घरा बरें न्हिदता आनी लेट जालो जाल्यार गार्बेज वालो गेलो जाल्यार गार्बेज वाल्याक रिस्पॉन्सिबल करता. आनी तो तर बेल मारीत जाल्यार तेजेर कापकाय मारता. हें सिट्युएशन आमी हँडल करता आनी बरे भशेन चालू आसा. पयलीं सगळ्याक हिंगा शेतांनी पोतयो उडयताले. आयज तुका त्यो पोतयो ना. पयल्यो कलेक्शन पॉयंट आसताले थिंगा हाडून येदे व्हडले साक उडयताले. तेंय ना. आतां कितें आहा लोक लागीं शेतां मेवता काडटा आनी उडयता. सो आमी हे पॉयंट्स आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा आनी ते कलेक्शन करून ते बंद करपाक. कित्याक गोरवां येता हें खावपाक,
सगळीं गोरवां जावन आतां
हें खावपाक हें बंद करता.
नागाळेची
पयले सद्या फायन आनी तो पळय तुजो देश केस कितें आसा तुका दिता. जेवियर प्लीज.
Sarpanch Bob, Secretary Bob, तुम्ही Satin's irrigation issue, this is a chronic issue and you know it very well. Before I elaborate you, would you like to disclose your plan? What is your plan? Because see now, once again, several years we have been told that the holistic rejuvenation of the Satin's Creek, the artery of Talegaon will be done. Not we are not interested about. You must be doing with your initiative parts and pieces here and there. That will not help. Secretary Bob, you also very well know that you are there in this panchayat for so many years. I don't say you are doing from your side, but this project has to be taken on priority. We don't mind even if you keep one road pending. But the creek, you know the condition. What is the condition? I don't have to tell again and again. The condition of the Amchi Nagali fields, the flooding, the amount of flooding which takes place, everybody knows about it. So you can very well tell me what is your plan. And Mr. Musarat also must have made a proposal to the CM to make a provision in his budget, because it is not a few rupees job and it has to be done in phases. So we will request you. Even last time we made 25 lakhs provision for the agriculture with Sarpanch and Secretary as approved it. That 25 lakhs, I request you to pump in there or use it for the creek.
See, regarding Santini Creek is an ambitious project for everyone, including you. So let us consider this is not a short-term goal, it is a long-term goal. And a priority is there from Panjim side to for smart city. आम्ही पंचायतीचे करता म्हणल्यार rightly said, I appreciate that you said that. Because there is a video काढला आम्ही नाला करीच ना म्हणून 10 वर्सां, which is wrong. No, I'm talking now.
Don't take it like that.
No, I will take it to my...
You must be doing a lot of job.
I will take it to heart because we work day and night.
Yeah.
And I will not take criticism for not doing things.
No, but you should take it positively.
No, positive. But don't take videos to let the world know. You come and tell me about yes,
If you take it negatively,
I will challenge you for any extent.
people will get discouraged and they will not come up with
No. You
suggestions.
don't criticize for things what is done. So,
Okay, now you tell me what
so
is...
desilting of Nala, commissioner has already started their Vivanta because the channel is opening. Because that is आमची joint meeting ahli and काल presentation ahli. A Dutch consultant is already there on that project. पहिले LKS ahli. The LKS is not there now. Now the Dutch consultant is doing that project of rejuvenating the full Santini Creek. And it originates from GMC, old GMC where Inox is there and ends up here.
Amrabat.
Ends up at electricity department.
Yeah, that is the internal water
So
supply.
I consider this is a joint project from Talegaon as well as Panjim.
Okay.
And in presentation, they have beautiful plans. They have stage-wise plans. What we have, once I get that project, I will show it to the Gram Sabha. What the planning is. Because tenders are one. It is in the consulting process how to do it because that same contractor is doing another 3 projects in India. So he has the knowledge and the capacity to do. So I'm not talking about what we do at our level. That we will be doing also. The 25 lakhs, ताका 50 लाख पडून पडले जाल्यार आमी म्हणटले. It is not something budgetary provision आहा म्हणून तितल्याचेर न्हू तें. So we have
तुम्ही म्हणता एग्रीकल्चर सो एग्रीकल्चर लँड फिलिंग करपाक रायट आसता
रायट ना म्हणून सांगलें तुका न्हू.
हय सो तुमचे आतां विदाउट परमिशन ती कशी डंपिंग जाता
विदाउट परमिशन तुवें प्रोसेस केलेलो आहा ते फ्लायंग स्पॉट प्रोसेस करतले.
फ्लायंग स्पॉट जेन्ना प्रोसेस करता एक कॉपी तुमकां वयता सो ताचेर तुमी कितें एक्शन घेता
आमकां ते कितें सांगता तें करतले आमी.
हय सो पूण सो फार कितें एक्शन घेता
येवन दी एक्शनाक येवन दी.
हांगा क्वेश्चन आन्सर करतलो जाल्यार तूं सरपंच अवेलेबल आसता तूं कर प्रोसिजर करतलो जाल्यार ताका सारको प्रोसिजर खबर आसूंक जाय वो टायम न्हू हांगा एडवोकेट आहा कितलेच एडवोकेट आहा जे तांकां दितलें इन्फॉर्मेशन पंचायतीचें कितें काम तेच विचारया आनी खूब जाणांचें खूब कामां आहा टायम 12 जाल्ली आहा आमी उलोवन दिवचे ना आमचो टायम वेस्ट जाता न्हू आमचो टायम वेस्ट जाता तूं कितें एजेंडाचेर आसा तें घे
यू सीट ना यू सीट हांव सांगता ताका. Let him make his point and the point is very clear. Decision हिंगासर तूं suggestion घातला. This is for discussion and it is for implementation. You don't expect the results today. You don't expect the results now. So you have highlighted and here he is to say that it is Xavier Sisters field. What is scrapyard what you are talking about. So तुका आन्सर मेळलो. So तूं तेका विचार तेजे भयणी कडेन कित्याक फिलिंग केलें काय म्हणून. Next. No.
Just to clarify, Agnel, I don't have connection with...
No, I'm not talking about...
With my sister, you can send a notice.
Yeah.
And
so that's what I said.
what he has highlighted, he is opposite Harun Banglo. You send a notice.
Scrapyard, of course.
My sister sent set up a. You send a notice.
It is the flying squad.
What he has highlighted is different.
Yeah.
It
They
is different.
will initiate the
You
process.
send a notice.
They will initiate
Even my
process.
sister, you send a notice.
They will initiate process and we will follow
I
it.
don't have any connection. You send a notice.
Okay.
I will not be a slave in anybody's hand. You send a notice.
Yes.
आमकां शेतकार अशें सांगता की थोड्या शेतकारांक खबर सुद्दां ना की बाबा आपल्या शेतान माती डंपींग जाता. सो ते आमकां येवन सांगता की बाबा हे आमी विचारले जे कोण डंपींग करता ते तांकां विचारलें जाल्यार ते डायरेक्टली टेकींग द नेम ऑफ सरपंच. सरपंचान आमकां माती घाल सांगला म्हणटा. आनी सो शेतकार अशें सांगता बिकॉज आमकां हे आतां हे जे पॅन्डेमिकान नॉर्मली आमी नोव्हेंबरान रोयता रायट. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द वॉटर बींग इन द फिल्ड्स ऑलमोस्ट म्हाका दिसता फेब्रुवारीन लोकांनी रोयला रायट. सो जो फॅक्ट आसा हो शेतकार आमकां सांगता येवन बाबा आमकां खबर सुद्दां नासता ही माती डंपींग जाता म्हणून. सो वीथ हूज परमिशन इट इज गोईंग ऑन इन तालिगांव. सो तेजेर तुमचो कितें वॉट एक्शन
I am declaring it today without my permission. Any permission is given. I have given no permission. कोणें सांगता तांकां सांगू दे तूं तांकां विचार.
सो तुमी तेन्ना परमिशन दिना जाल्यार तुमची ड्युटी आसा बाबा.
You go and question them. हांव कितें करूंक जाय तें हांव करतलो. I have not given permission.
वी हॅव नॉट गिवन द परमिशन बट आमकां तुम्ही परमिशन दिना म्हणून. तुम्ही परमिशन दिना म्हणून सांगता. व्हिडिओ आसा. मी सरकार आमकां सांगला की डायरेक्टली व्हिडिओ आसा. नॉट एलिगेशन. डायरेक्टली सरपंचान लँड फिलिंग करून सांगला म्हणून आमी बेगीन उलयना. सो आनी ते शेतां लोक मेळून म्हणून ते बेजार तेणी सांगले की आमी सगळे जे वाव आसा ते क्लीन केले. सो जरी तर ते वाव सगळे क्लीन केले जाल्यार शेतकारांक फेब्रुवारीन शेत रोवचे कित्याक पडले जरी तर ते क्लीन
एग्रीकल्चर अफिसर मरे तूं.
उंची शेतां आसा वचना शेतान ती पंचायतीची ड्युटी बाबा ती वॉटर ड्रेनेज घेवपाची. केला लोक कशें स्टोर उरले कशें उरले हेच्या पयलीं शेतान उरताले शेतकार रोयताले हेच्या पयलीं
इमान बरी क्लीन करता रोवपाक पावसात कित्याक जायना
शेतकार रोवपाक क्लीन करताले.
पयलीं क्लीन करपाक जाय शेतां
तुका उलोवंक जाय चड टायम मेळटलो. प्लीज डोंट कम हियर प्लीज.
क्लीन करपाक जाय शेतां.
सरपंच हे दादागिरी करतात आमच्या फुडें न्ही भाडं येता फाटी रावले दादागिरी करून गेले न्ही सर. मागीर आमी येताल न्ही फुड्यान आमी फुडें येताल न्ही सर. यू आयदर बी स्पीक यू बी स्पीक ओवर हियर. वाय यू वाज कमिंग हियर.
मातशें बसून.
कोण रे दादागिरी करून घेतात का. बरं हिंगा फुडें कितें सगळे आमी मेळून उलयता आमी मेळून उलयता आमचे खबर.
सो म्हाका जाय सरपंच हाजे पंचायतीन एक्शन घेतली.
कसलें
जे लँड फिलिंग जाता ताचेर.
लँड फिलिंग जाल्यार तुका सांगलें ड्यू प्रोसेस वील बी फॉलोड. ना तो उलयता. यू डोंट नो.
आमी
I said whatever process has to be followed, it will be followed.
हेच्या पयलीं आमी जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शनूय मागलेले
कोणा कडेन?
पंचायती
खंयचे?
कडेन. हे वाव कितें आसा पळय तो क्रीक असो वाव आसा तेजें जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन करुया कित्याक उदक स्टोर जाता तें पळोवपाक. सो आयज पासून जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन जावना. सो कित्याक जावना. सो केन्ना करतले आमी.
I have already decided the date. Shaunak सांगलेलें ना. Those outlets and those things can be done together. अशें नीट करता.
ओके.
Next. So, point
1 minute, Sachin, 1 minute.
I just want to say, please don't crowd yourself. If you want to sit, please sit nicely. It cannot. No. मला तू पहिलं बस. नाही तू पहिलं बस. सो हांव एकूच क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिवंक सोदतां की पळय शेतां म्हणटा पळय ती पंचायत पुरयना, शेतां म्हणटा पळय ती पंचायत खायना आनी पळय बाबा ते तुका सांगलें ऑथॉरिटी वील टेक एक्शन. सो आय वॉन्ट टू जस्ट मेक इट क्लियर टू द पब्लीक हियर, पंचायत इज नॉट एनफोर्सिंग or filling any fields, and you cannot hold me responsible if someone says something that I am doing it. I am sorry for that. So there is no documentation to say that Sarpanch has done, and I am not the owner of this field. I am not the owner of these fields which are being done, and this specific what he is talking about, he is also come to say that बाबा थिंगा फिलिंग जालें आनी थिंगा कितें आहा बाबा तेका त्रास जाता म्हणून तेणें कितें केलें म्हणून थिंगा. इट इज इंडिविज्युअली हू आर डुईंग, इट इज नॉट द पंचायत, इट्स नॉट मी. थँक यू. मंदकिनी
सरपंच आता सगळेच जाण कोवीड चालू आहा म्हणून कोवीड हे पळयत जाल्यार दिसना आमी कोवीड पाळटाक हांव म्हणटा कितें म्हाजी रिक्वेस्ट कितें 1 minute let me finish first. म्हाका रिक्वेस्ट करपाची आहा तुमचे कितें पॉयंट ते तुमी घ्या आनी मागीर क्लियरिफाय करा कित्याक हे कोवीड जाल्यार कवर जातलें सगळें. किती व्हडली मिटींग घेवपाची गरज ना सर. कितें कोणाक एकट्याक कोवीड जाय सांगलें जातलो तुमी हेजेर कितें तरी एक्शन घे आनी कवर करा. कसली मिटींग घे खबर एक एकट्याक अर्दे वर एक वर कितें बोलप कोवीड चालू तुमी बरोवन घ्या.
I will finish it fast.
हॅलो पळय तुमी शेतां पुरयता म्हणटा पळय न्हू ते आमी एक सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाची बायक सांगा तेन्ना आमकां सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाक आमकां एग्रीकल्चर करून दिल्या, भाजी रोवपाक दिल्या, स्वता आमी भाजी रोवन खाता. हे आतां आमकां अशें करून कोण दिवंक शकता ना.
सगळे आयकून घेता 2 मिनटां उलयता. आमी एसओजी ग्रुपाची आसा, श्री साई सातेरी सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुपाच्यो बायलो. आमी फर्स्ट टायम फुडें सरलेली आसा शेतांक पायो दिवं. तेन्ना आमकां सरपंचान बरो हेल्प केला, सिडनी सरान केला. रॉकी कुंकळकर तेन्ना आमी तेच्या खातीर आसा आनी तो आमच्या खातीर आसा. ही पळय तुमी गजाल उलयता ते तुमी मातशें तेजे विचार करून उलोवचो. इतकेंच हांव तुमकां सांगता. आमकां आमची भाजी खावची पडटा ही आमी स्वता रोवन खाता. ही आमची कॅपिसिटी आसा बायलांची. आमी काय करून जमत नासली. शेतान कितें म्हणटा पळय ते आमचो मोदर हांगा पावल्लो आसा शेताचो. तेणें आमकां दोन ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी दिली तुमी रयात आपल्या कांयच दिवं नाकात. तेन्ना आमकां हेल्प सिडनी सरान आनी आमच्या सरपंचान भरपूर केल्लो आसा, केन्नाच ना म्हणना. त्या खातीर हांव तेंचें देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तशें पांचशे मेंबराचेय बीन हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. कितें सांगून
Peter Faria.
शेतकारांनी नोंद घेवची हेजी. आमी सदांच शेतकाराच्या फाटल्यान आसा, केन्नाय 12 वरां उगडी.
Peter Faria.
हे थोडेच जाण येयला हांगा आमकां हें करपाक किडोवपाक. तांकां बरें जाल्लें नाका, तांकां फकत आपलें हें करपाक.
In Talegaon in March to February, from March of February, every for onset of monsoon, whichever is earlier, please include this in the agenda.
सरपंच तुवें सांगला तुवें सारकें पूण हांगा कोवीड येयलेल्याक तुमच्या शेतान जावना म्हणटा रोवपाक. हेजो हांव आयकलो. हांवें हे फावट फर्स्ट टायम रोयला शेतान देवून हांवें काम केलां. फ्रॉम नोव्हेंबरान स्टार्ट केलें आमी रोवपाक. बरें उमेदीन रोयलें सारकें. फेब्रुवारी एंडाकसून मुड्याक उदक येयना खंय, खूब त्रास पडटा. माती काडली उदक देंवता. वयल्यान
The ground water table goes down. उदीक काडटा म्हणून वॉटर टेबल म्हणटा पळय तें दर्याचेर आहा. दर्या जितलो पळय हाय टायड जाता तितलें तुका वॉटर टेबल. इट्स लायक वॉटर इफ यू पुट इन दीस एरिया. let me say आयज तूं थिंगा उदीक घाली ना आयक रे हांव कितें सांगूंक सोदता तें तरी आयक रे सी वॉटर टेबल हांव दर्याचें म्हणना देर आर जोरी आसा आनी जोरीचेर कितें आसा सर्टन बांयो जोरीचेरूच चलता हें मान्य करता कित्याक हांव इसरलो हांव भायलो न्हू सो वॉटर टेबल तर तूं हिंगासर तर ह्या उतरून तर एक टँक उदक घातली आनी हो कॉम्पॅक्ट आसा ह्या कॉम्पॅक्ट लेवलाचेर सगळ्याक गेले म्हणटकूच तुका इतलेंच उदीक रावतलें सो हिंगा कितलेंय काडलें जाल्यार तें उदक कमी जातलें इट वील गो डावन एक्सट्रॅक्शन जालें म्हणटकूच सो वॉटर टेबल इज द सेम आतां इश्यू कितें आहा WRD कडेन आमी तांकां एवरी इयर बरयता कितें बरयता हे 2 म्हयने एप्रील मे उदीक बांयचें कमी काडचें म्हणून आनी हे बांयो परमिशन दितात WRD मॉनिटर करता WRD सो हे लेटरां आमी एवरी इयर करता सी WRD हांव जाणा ते शेतकार येता आमकां आमच्या फुड्यान बांयो मारलेले आहा तेय येता आमच्या फुड्यान कित्याक आपल्याचें बंद केलें म्हणटा बट वी हियर बोथ द सायड्स बट वी डोंट टेक एक्शन इट इज द WRD हू हॅज टू टेक एक्शन बिकॉज तांकां आमी हें लेटर केल्लें आसा आनी द वॉटर टेबल जो देंवता तो मेंटेन कर म्हणून कित्याक डॅम आहा पळय आमचो हुंयसान अंजुना डॅम येता तोय देंवता न्हू देंवता काय देंवना देंवता सो ह्या 2 म्हयन्यांत तुका उदीक वॉटर टेबल सगळ्याकूच देंवता सो हें आमी कंट्रोल थ्रू WRD करता आनी केलेलें आसा आमचे कडेन प्रोसेस आमी करस्पॉन्डन्स करता तोय आसा आनी शुअर दॅट इट वील बी डन येस नेक्स्ट ग्रामसभा फुडली रायकार place on records 5 years pertaining to the community center before the 5 years pertaining to community center before Gram Sabha. The records should include booking of register maintained by the panchayat for recording sale of community hall and adjoining panchayat of hiring of community hall to the individuals from the Taligaon backward community for Taligaon and people residing outside Taligaon. Place, state, total revenue received and expenditure incurred by the community center in the last 5 years. Incurred on the community center. Please place before the Gram Sabha minutes of the meeting of the various committees or ward committees. So that we have already discussed what committees and regarding this. Okay.
We have this community hall. Community hall, according to me, you can note it secretly. It is a white elephant. म्हणजे कितें आसा जितलो रेव्हेन्यू पळय येता कम्युनिटी हॉलाक न्ही तितलोच रेव्हेन्यू तितलेच पयशे एक्सपेंडिचर वता एवरी इयर देर इज एप्रिसिएशन ऑफ रिसीट्स दॅट मीन्स रिसीट्स गो अप बट ऑल्सो द मेंटेनन्स गो अप एवरीथिंग हेज गोज अप सो नाव एक टायम आशिल्लो ह्याच कम्युनिटी सेंटराचेर अरावंड 50 lakhs एक्सपेंडिचर जातालो 43 lakhs एक्सपेंडिचर जातालो 50 lakhs वॉज द इनकम आज त्याच कम्युनिटी सेंटराचेर नथींग हेज चेंज्ड हॉल तशें आसा वी नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रेनोवेशन सगळें तशें आसा बट एक्सपेंडिचर इज कस्ट अबाउट 1.38 crores receipts have gone up so expenditure is also going up as a meaning कितें की हे हॉल आसा पळय बिकमिंग व्हाईट एलिफंट ना जाल्यार दीस इज नॉट गिविंग एनी प्रोडक्टीव यूज टू द कम्युनिटी सो तेका लागून तुमची पॉलिसी आसा काय विचारता हांव कितें दिवपाचें
आमची पॉलिसी इज
रिटर्न पॉलिसी आसा
पॉलिसी हय आसा
हांवें सांगिल्लें रिटर्न पॉलिसी आसा प्लेस इट ऑन रेकॉर्ड
फ्रॉम इन्सेप्शन
तालिगांव कम्युनिटी हॉल पळय आसा न्हू तेजे प्रॉब्लम तूं म्हणटा पळय न्हू लास्ट 5 years इन्क्रीज ऑफ रेट करूंक ना हेंच जालें
बट रिसिप्ट्स लागून ना
या पळय दुसरें प्रॉब्लम कितें न्हू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चार्जीस वाडत आसा एवरेज 3 लाख रुपया बील येता एक्सपेंडिचर इज ऑन ओनली ऑन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी चड हे आमचे क्लिनींग आनी बारीक आसा ते चड ना
50 lakhs
ऑलमोस्ट 36 lakhs 42 lakhs अशें हे जाता 32 kV लायन ती एक्सपेंडिचर आफ्टर 6 o'clock इवनिंग सेशन टू 10 o'clock डबल रेट चार्ज करता हांवें सांगता आतां कितें जालां पंचायतान कितें केलां पुलीस पंचायतान वोटर्स आनी नॉन वोटर्सांक रेट आसा वोटरांक अमकी रेट आनी नॉन वोटरांक अमकी सगळे विलेजर्स कोण वोटर्स आहा तांकां सगळ्यांक मेळटा समज बुकींग ना जाल्यार चुकान मेळना इतलें बट ह्या हितून बेसिकान पंचायतान कितें केलां नो प्रॉफीट नो लॉस बेसीस अशी तें हॉल कम्युनिटी केला बिकॉज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिसिटी एक्सपेंडिचर इनक्रीज दिसता अदरवायज प्रॉफिटेबल हॉल चलता एवरेज आमकां
I don't know whether it is running on profit because at least see unless you do some structural changes पयर ते तशें घातिल्ली तशी पत्री तशी आसा एकदां केन्ना जर एसीक लागून भितर रुफींग केल्लें सिलींग केल्लें भितरल्यान इंटरनल सिलींग otherwise there is nothing done so why and how this expenditure is going so high कित्याक वता नो तेकाच लागून कितें आसा प्लस मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट डू यू हॅव अ पॉलिसी a written policy because this is a public asset. This is not a private asset to be handed over as you know largest to individuals or even to groups or anybody, even to me, anybody. It is a public asset. So for managing this public asset, whether there is any policy, these are the rates. These are the rates for this group, that group, asa dashen, or it is only oral.
See,
Right now it is oral.
voters and non-voters munri asa.
खंय आसा बरयलो आसा रेजोल्यूशन घेतला
सगळें
आसता रेजोल्यूशन शुड हॅव बीन प्लेस म्हाका दिवपाची गरज ना
ना तुका दिता बिकॉज
No, म्हाका
question
दिवपाची
they have a problem they will ask
No, Baba.
I'll give it to you.
This is where I object. No. See, you are not servicing me. Don't service me. No. Everybody wants to know. Everybody wants to know. No. It has to be placed. No. It has to be discussed in the Gram Sabha. Issue करून फायदो कितें?
If I may just make a small suggestion in constructive purpose here, I think fundamental of governance is transparency. What transparency, if I may define it for you, instead of one person asking you, give it to him, he put it online for the world. Why don't you just put it up online for the world? Let me just finish. Transparency means expenditure, taxation, receipts that are being received by you are on record, accessible absolutely to the rupee by everybody, not only in Panchayat Talegaon, but the entire country if you want. You should have nothing to hide. So expenditure, every rupee should be accessible online, which means your audited financials for last 2021 should be online. You should be able to access it. Because if you're not providing it free access to the citizens of this country, you obviously have something to hide. That is unfortunately the implication. So please understand this for the benefit of us and you.
The issue, I understood your problem.
Thanks.
The issue here is e-governance, and I promised you that it is being done soon. So you can have transparency as much as you want. We have nothing to hide from day one. Yes. And for your kind information, this is not a white elephant what you all are projecting. Eyes low kinga sir. Eyes low. Mase. Baba ekut sana. Eyes low. Community hall enjoy kotta. And only you all are coming here for distraction. Do you all agree with me?
No, that is not true.
So if you may not agree, but there are people.
No, I will speak on
We have 30,000 people here who I am listening to. So you cannot centralize your decision with these few people that this is what is happening, which I am negating it that it is wrong.
Sarpanch Bab, I am speaking on facts. I never speak without facts. I am telling you, I had asked you, तू कितें कर 5 वर्सांचो डेटा दवर हांगा डेटा सांगतलो
तू 5 वर्सांचो तुजो डेटा हा तो म्हाका न्ही हांवूय म्हाजो दिता तुका. Let us make 1 to 1.
No, what data? You मरे बाबा.
Manu,
you are making one.
Manu Shirota.
Sarpanch Bab, if you are making 1 to 1, you make 1 to 1. You are making 1 to 1.
See, I said if you have some allegation.
You are making 1 to 1.
If you
I am
have
a Gram Sabha member.
Yeah.
And when a statement or a question is asked in a meeting, it means everybody wants to know, not me alone.
See,
Not me alone.
we will. No, तू पळय
And you are making 1 to 1.
No, I
If
am
you
not.
want to make 1 to 1, I will sit with all the data that you have inside. Which
See, I am not making a
Yes,
statement
we do it.
1 to 1, but I am making a
Because there
statement.
are lot of irregularities.
See, I am.
There are.
You are making an accusation now. That's what I want to.
No. I am trying to tell you something.
See.
He said there is something to hide.
We'll prove it soon, Baba.
Pundalik, face me. See, you have asked something for 5 years.
Yes.
It is as good as you are asking house tax records of 5 years. What I'm saying, you have listen to me.
Community center.
Listen to me.
I am not asking house tax. I am asking for community center.
So what I'm saying is, you come.
Guide them that I am asking their details. Please.
I'm not asking that. I'm asking it is as good as you're asking.
Don't try to act like a politician. Be a punchman.
See, I mean, you don't have to say what politician I am. You don't have to certify. My people
What's in my mouth?
my people have certified me. Your certification is there with you. So you keep your certification to yourself. You keep your certification to
म्हणून ते रॉंग. इट इज ऑडिटेड, एवरीथिंग इज देर, ब्लॅक अँड व्हाईट सगळे मेवतले. 5 वर्सांचे न्हू केन्ना कॉमेस जाला तेन्ना लिगून दिता. सो तुवें 5 वर्सांचे मागला तुका हांव कितें सांगता, यू कम एंड गेट इट. सी यू आर मेकिंग अ स्टेटमेंट विच आय हॅव सेट, आय एम रेडी फॉर इट. No, I am not saying individually. I want you to prove individually कित्याक म्हणलां तुका, because तूं एक प्रूफ कोत्ता म्हणटा न्हू. सो I want it that I'll give you. E-governance.
सर
मनोज शिरोडकर.
सर म्हाका एक उलोवपाक जाय. आतां आमच्या पुंडलीक बाबान म्हटलेलें आहा, हांव तांकां थँक्यू म्हणूंक सोदतां की वायट एलिफंट फॉर कम्युनिटी हॉल, वीच इज व्हेरी गुड. हें विजन आसलें बाबूश मनसराताचें, जें बाबूश मनसरातान चिंतलें की बाबा हांगा एक हॉल जाय म्हणजे इनकम येवपाक पयलीं इनकम म्हणल्यार एक्सपेंडिचर जातलो न्हू. सो आय वॉन्ट टू थँक बाबूश मनसरात एंड जेनिफर मनसरात फॉर दीस, की तेंच्यांनी चिंतलें कम्युनिटी हॉल जालें आनी तेज्या खातीर आमकां रेवन्यू येता पंचायतीक.
मनोज शिरोडकर. सॅनिटायझर लाय विकास, put sanitizer please. With reference to the matter placed in resolve that the workers ongoing development in village panchayat Talegaon, the work order. All laborers will be removed and placed which is government acquired land. Go ahead.
सर लास्ट टायम तुका आमी मेळिल्ले तेन्ना जॉयंट इन्स्पेक्शन करुया जाल्यार सांगलेलें, बट तुवें सांगलेलें कितें आमकां ह्यो मार्च टू एप्रील ते फूल क्लियर जातले, बट अजून ते आसा तशें आसा. सो तेंचेर तुमी आतां कितें हें घेतलां?
See, that site is not my site. It is site of the PDA. And PDA कडे आम्ही परमिशन घेतलेले आहा for habitation of laborers. What work we are doing in Talegaon. One is sewage work is going on. One is road work is going on. आता तू म्हणटा पळय तशें कोणे शेखरान म्हटलें की माती घातली आग्नेलान सांगली म्हणून पळय उलोवपाक जिबले कितेंय उलयता. Let us not go into those details, but हांव एक सांग सोदता तुका कितें, डेव्हलपमेंट वर्क्स आर गोईंग ऑन. मातसो बसता पात्रांव, यू कॅन टॉक लेटर. सी आयज कितें पळय काम चल्लेलें आहा, दॅट इज द एरिया वेर वी आर युटिलायझींग फॉर लेबरर्स. आनी जे फ्यू हें आसा पळय थिंगा, वन्स द प्रोजेक्ट इज डन देर इज full seniors थिंगासर पार्किंग विथ पार्क येवपाचो आसा. एंड आय एप्रिशिएट यू टू ब्रिंग दॅट टॉपिक. इट इज नॉट दॅट वी आर स्लीपिंग. will come also. I have told you.
हांवें सर तो हांव तूं न्हिदला म्हणून म्हणोंक ना तुका, बट तुवेंनूच सांगलेलें आमकां की आपूण एक्शन घेतलो.
जावना बिकॉज सी आमची सिवेज वर्क आमची ह्या लास्ट पावसाक कंप्लीट जावपाची आसली. बिकॉज ऑफ पॅन्डेमीक इट इज गॉन बिहायंड.
जावना.
एंड आतां लास्ट क्वेश्चन उरला पळय तो नागाळेचो एक उरला, आनी सिमिट्री कडेन सावन हिंगा एक येवपाचो उरला, आनी इडन वुडा कडेन विलेजीचें आय कॅनॉट टेक इट बिकॉज शेतान कितें आहा जाल्यार तूं म्हाका एकूच फोटो दाखय बाबा थिंगा
ऑलरेडी आमी अटेच केल्ले आहा पंचायतीन, दिला लेटर केला.
आमी लास्ट इन्स्पेक्शन केलेलें खंयचें त्या शेताचें. आयज पळय भुरगे सगळे कडेन बसता. आयज आमी लायसन्सां दिवपाक लेगून बंद केल्ली आहा लिकराचें. कित्याक दिल्ली आहा? आयज आहा पळय तेच एक मेनस जाल्लें आहा. वयता थंय भुरगे बसता, वयता थंय बोटल्यो धरता. दॅट इज रायट. या सो आमी कितें म्हणलेलें, लेट अस जॉयन टुगेदर एंड डू अवेरनेस ड्रायव्स वीच वी डू. आमी आख्या हाका सांगना, वी डू एवरी एरिया, वी डू एवरी एरिया वॉट एवर. आतां न्युयलान सांगलें एक इश्यू, वी अटेंड टू इट, सी दॅट इट इज डन. नालान पळय वचून कितले गार्बेज उडयलेली आहा. सो लेट अस डू इट टुगेदर.
पंचायतीन सबमीट केला पळय तुवें ते फाटल्यान सांगलेलें पळय तेन्ना तांकां ऑलरेडी गार्बेज कॉन्ट्रॅक्टराक वचोन दाखोवन तेंचे क्लियर करता.
तो बिल्डिंगेचो इश्यू सांगना.
ना ना हो हो
हे सायडीन.
हय हे सायड या सो गार्बेज कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर वयता आनी फाल्यां वचना सी इफ यू आय विल रिचॅक इफ यू वॉन्ट तुका जाय जाल्यार रिचॅक करता तुजो नंबर आहा म्हजे कडेन म्हणून इट इज रॉंग टू से की वचना म्हणून ना ना वचना म्हणा नाका तुका जाय वचना जाल्यार
ना रे पळय तुमचे पळय कितें आसा
हय
न्हू
सर.
फ्रॉम मंडे वी वील नागाली कितें आहा तें आमी करया. नागाले कितें ड्रेनान कितें आसा गार्बेज खंय कलेक्ट करूंक जाय खंय उरलेली आसा यू ब्रिंग इट टू आर नोटीस लेट अस जॉयंटली डू इट.
आमी तुका लेटर करताय.
पळय लेटर नाका तूं तुका सांगलें मंडे मेळुया म्हणून जालें.
मंडे हरशीं म्हणून येवपाक जाय वयता आनी थंय सर आतां रावता तुमी म्हणटा लेबर रावता बट थंय लेबर रावना. आमी तुका जाय तुका व्हरोन दाखयता लायक ते कितें करता तेवूय दाखयता तुका. सो
Monday.
ओके वॉट टायम 10 o'clock? You say the time.
ना ना फाल्यां
बट थंय आतां
पळय इफ यू वॉन्ट्स लेट हिम टॉक न्हू. नेक्स्ट लिंडा यू वॉन्ट टू से समथिंग यू सेड.
तूं रिलॅक्स राव सर. आमी ऑलरेडी पळय थंय आमी हें केल्लें आसा आमी जाणा थंय PWDचे और रोडाच्या कामाक कोण काम करना.
सी
कोण उडयता कोण चेडयतात आतां हांव थिंगा मातशें लेवल करता आनी म्हजें बच्चें शेत कोणाचें शेत न्ही तें म्हजें बच्चें शेत तें नागायचे 2 जाण भुरगे येयले मागीर ट्रॅक्टर बंद केलो आनी ते ट्रॅक्टराक विचारूंक लागले कोणें पुरोवंक लागला ना सरपंच कित्याक ना हिंगा. हांव ओन पुरयता म्हजें सरपंच कसलेंच कांयच ना आनी ते नागायचे नाका आमचें उदक म्हज्या शेतांतल्यान वयता मग तेंचें उदक म्हज्या शेतांतल्यान वचना तेंचो वाव आहा हिंगा मेलेल्या मोड्ड्यायल्यान तो वाव सारको नुमशिंगसान निळामायल्यान ते दोनूय वाव जॉयन जाता आनी म्हाका बंद केला मातशें शेत तुमी रोयता आनी आमी बेश्टे रावतली सांग सरपंच.
ना पळय बस लिंडा बस. ना शेत तुजें कितें करपाचें तें तुजी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. तुका परमिशन घेवन तुज्यान कितें करूंक जाय यू गो टू एग्रीकल्चर तुका कुमकी सॉयल घालपाक मेळपाक जाय जाल्यार तेंय मेवता बट प्रोसिजर आहा तो करा कितें. आनी गार्बेज उडयता आनी उदीक वयता गार्बेजीचें आमी काम करता हांव करून दिता गार्बेज स्टोर आसा जाल्यार थिंगा कित्याक सगळेच कडेन गार्बेज उडयता. आतां खंय रस्त्यांचेर तुका दिसना सगळें नायस एंड क्लीन दिसता बट भितर पळय जागे आहा थिंगासर सगळें पाड करता भुरगे. सो आतां पळय तूं ते काजा तिपो कडेनच फाटल्यान पळय इतल्यो बोटली आसतल्यो कोणाची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी एज सरपंच म्हणून करूंक जाय कोत्ता बट एवरी वन ऑल्सो नीड टू सपोर्ट अस टू स्टॉप दॅट मॅनर्स.
एक मिनिट दुसऱ्या दिसा जेवे राणी आनी जायते जाण येयले आनी म्हाज्या शेतान भोंवले म्हज्या शेताक तें कितें आहा भोंवपाक सांग म्हाका. जेवे तोय शेतकारी तोय गांवकार हांवूय गांवकार ताका कितें आसा शेताक तेणे पुरयलें आनी भाडेक बांदिलें. आमी भाडेक दिना आमी फकत रोयतलीं आनी सायडीक आमी माड घालतलीं.
पळय तुजें कितें इश्यू आहा तो तुवें तुज्या
जेवेरा कसो करप म्हज्या शेतान पळोवपाक
तूं झेवेराक विचार पळय आहा न्हू तो.
ताका विचारता
हां हय शी आयज कितें आहा आयज आपल्याचें शेत सोडून दुसऱ्याच्या शेतान वचपाक उमेद येता दिसता बट लेट अस ऑल वर्क टुगेदर. नो हांव कितें म्हणटा सगळेंच कोत्ता तेणें माड रोयला तूंय रोय माड तूंय माड रोय. See, horticulture you can do. तेका काम धंदो ना. Cecil Rodriguez. Cecil.
Okay.
हिल्डाचो जो आमचो लिंडाचो इश्यू इट्स नॉट फिलींग फॉर पॅडी आमचें बिल्डींग बांदपाचें सो तेणें पॉयंट क्लॅरिफाय केला आनी आय थिंक वी शूड एग्री बाबा आपूण कोण माड रोयता वी नीड टू अंडरस्टँड कितें कोत्ता पळय तें हॅरेसमेंट फॉर फार्मर्स यू कॅन डू सो मेनी थिंग्स समवन कॅन डू पॅडी समवन कॅन डू हॉर्टिकल्चर समवन कॅन डू ऑर्गेनीक फार्मींग आनी ऑर्गेनीक फार्मिंगाक तुका कितें वॉटर टेबल उदीक लागोंक उपकारना तें वर्साचे 12 म्हयने करूंक जाता इफ यू हॅव थिंग सो आय थिंक वी ऑल्सो नीड टू रॅशनलायज बाबा कितें करूंक जाता आनी कितें जायना पळय तें सो आय थिंक वी नीड टू टेक दॅट इन अ रायट पर्स्पेक्टीव सो
Okay, I would like to say good afternoon to the Sarpanch.
आतां पळय हेंचे पळय इशू जाला पळय ती आतां म्हणटा कितें की एग्रीकल्चर पॅडी फील्ड आपणाची म्हणटा सॉयल रिप्लेस करता आनी चिकोल आनी बांद घालता असलें काम ताका स्टॉप करपाचें काय तेंच्यांनी करपाचें हें तुमी नक्की एकटे रा तांकां फाल्यां कितें जाता ती सिनियर सिटीजन्स अशे फार्मर्स आतां कितकेच आसतले सो टुमोरो डे कम टू द पंचायत आपणाची लँड हे आमची सॉयल चेंज करतात हे आमचें कितें म्हणटा ती सॉल्ट पॅन ते हे मारता चिकोल मारता तो घालता तो आपले वर्क तुमी स्टॉप करपाचें काय तो एकदां दिवपाचें प्लांटेशन पर्पज हॉर्टिकल्चर एलाव करपाचो न्हू पंचायतीन
Cecil, please go ahead. No.
Okay, a very good afternoon to the Sarpanch, the Panch members and to all the people here. I have listed a few points for discussion with the Panchayat. Now, Amcha Taligaon.
See, Cecil, can I just interrupt?
Yes.
Yeah. Now, most of your points, एक मिनिट हे सगळे पॉइंट पळय तुजे कितें आसा न्हू आमी ऑलरेडी डिस्कशन केलेलें आसा सो इफ यू तुका जाय जाल्यार
I will highlight what is not discussed.
Yeah. I'll chair it because it is already
Not a problem.
And I will go point by point so we can discuss it on that basis.
Okay.
At the land and field filling.
Okay,
illegal filling, illegal paddy filling, land acquisition of wheat farmers and land filling debris at Jilalima Road. Now this land filling I have already said.
No. I need to speak in a different way.
But
I would like to explain in a different way.
Speak in brief.
Yeah. Okay. When Sogleche complaina, it's almost 1 year now. Ami ek Gram Sabha dolla. So for 1 year, all the complaints they list corona dilla. On this date. Ata amche Taligaon, we are blessed to have fields and we are blessed to have the seaside. Ani we are also blessed that we still have a panchayat. Kityak लोकांचो डिसिजन लोकांक घेवपाक जाय सांबाळपाक जाय आमचें शेत सो लोकांक विचारपाक जाय डू यू ऑल वॉन्ट टू सेव द फिल्ड्स नो आय कॅन्ट फील इट डू यू ऑल वॉन्ट टू सेव द फिल्ड्स सो आमी एक रेझोल्युशन घेवपाक जाय एज अ पंचायत की लोकांचें शेत सांबाळपाक जाय म्हणून इट इज इम्पॉर्टंट कित्याक आमचें शेत नॉट अ लेवल शेत लो लायंग शेत मिन्स लो लेवल आनी ते लो लेवल इज फॉर वॉटर कॅचमेंट जेन्ना पावस पडटा नगालिसाक उदक येता सगळे आमच्या शेतांनी भोगता आनी आमकां वी डोंट हॅव एनी कायंड ऑफ सिम्पटम्स ऑफ फ्लडिंग जे पणजेन जाता ते सारके सो आमकां ते सांबाळपाक जाय आमी सगळे लेवल करे कितले कंप्लेन आतां हांवें सगळ्याचे आयकलां आनी म्हाजी कंप्लेन नाच घेतला वन सेकंड मॅम कॅन आय स्पीक सो आमी सगळ्यांनी वांगडा सांबाळपाक जाय सो एज अ सरपंच आनी एज द पीपल आमी एक रेझोल्युशन घेवया की
Please address it to me.
Yes. एज अ सरपंच आय वूड लायक टू टेक अ रेजोल्युशन की आमचे शेतां जे हा सांबाळपाक जाय लायक नॉट construction in any field. You all give 3 by 3 meters exactly for the pump area. Am I clear? Permission is granted by the panchayat. Yes. 2 by
4 by 4.
Sir had told me 3 by 3 when I went to his office.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. It's not whatever. It is 3 by 3. Soglan gompak jay 3 meter by 3 meter. Permission they gyopak jay pump housing. So if panchayat can give that permission, आम्ही ते सांभाळपाक जाय. And when panchayat घर is being built, शेतांनी, it is not right. हो आमचो जागो हा, it is buffet. It is a buffet area. So this is my suggestion. This is a buffet area.
From morning we are talking about.
आम्ही change करून ग्राम सभा और पंचायत करपाक जाता. We can even have the buffet on the other side. See, intention सारखे हा जाल्यार शेत सांबाळपाक जाय जाल्यार कितें करूंक जाता. But then it has to come from the heart. आणि 8 शेतकाराचे शेत, those people that were plowing the fields during pandemic time. Pandemic time. Sir, I have got arrested.
I will give you clarification.
Sir, I have got arrested. I have the right to speak. It is my turn to speak. I have time. I will come to you. So आमचे शेत आता हे आटकाराचे शेत घेतला आणि मागीर तुमचे शेत घेतले. So we have a gram sabha. आम्ही एक resolution घेऊया की let us save all the fields and not for construction. Put it to vote, sir. Put it to vote. कित्याक democracy is very important आणि आमकी ते democracy दाखोवपाक जाय. Vote of hands. कोणाक जाय सांबाळपाक जाय आमची शेतां, प्लीज हात वयर काडात. Sir, this is a majority of hands. It is my turn. Do you have a written complaint, Tony? Tony, do you have a written complaint or you're just barking over here continuously? Take a resolution. Sir, I'm not talking to you. Take a resolution. Please, my volume. Sir, my volume. ना, माझे volume और card, please. Bond करना का माझे volume. Don't put my volume low. माझे volume low करना का. It is my right to speak. कोणेन इंगा arrest जावंक ना. On the 24th of May, आता 1 वर्स जावपाचे. हांव एक माय, म्हाका arrest केला कित्याक हांव आमचे शेत सांबाळटलें. हे माझे शेत न्हू, लोकांचे शेत. म्हाका कित्याक arrest केला हिंगा? कितले जाण? 6 जाण, 7 जाण आम्ही पुलीस स्टेशनान गेला. सरपंच आमचो बाप.
Excuse me.
सरपंच आमचो बाप. Sir, I want to talk to you saying that please take a resolution.
Panchayat Garaj. No, I'm not taking resolution. Listen to what I have to say. Panchayat Gar is a High Court matter.
It is not a High Court matter.
It is, and it is sub judice to discuss it here. It has not to be noted down. It is not to be noted down.
If the Sarpanch and the Panchayat wants, they can save the fields, but they are not doing it.
It is not part of the agenda. I cannot discuss it.
For whom is the Panchayat Gar?
आता पळय सेसील उलयता म्हणून ताणें मायक लेगून बंद केलो. मायक म्यूट केलो सेसिलाचो.
I am taking the next on agenda is road works. I have discussed this land filling issue. I have taken land filling issue, and I am taking the next is the road works. And the road works is regarding speed breakers, hand painted, signage, broken street lights, and street lights involving water road safety. that matter, it will be considered as heard. So the roads आमी कितें तालिगांव करता आनी रोड्साक प्रोसिजर आहा आनी what is the procedure? Once the roads are done, then all roads are marked. All roads are marked with white lines. All roads are marked with signages, and all roads are marked with bird eye catcher for reflectors. So, as एक road new केलो जाल्यार तो road mark जातलो. Then special कोणाचें नाका permission करपाक. आणि कोणाचें suggestion नाका. We know what we have to do.
So, okay, if you don't want, okay, let us take it all in writing that Sarpanch doesn't want to do a resolution to save the fields. Okay? Sarpanch doesn't want to take a resolution to save our fields. Please take this on record. Okay, take this on record. This is one thing. So, that lady right there, she's Miss Espo. Her opposite side landfilling has been done, plus illegal poultry is happening just next door. You need 1,000 meters in distance to hold a poultry. Already collector has given permission for demolition. She has come to your office n number of times to meet you, sir, but her voice has not been heard. There is still, and Peter Lawrence is the caretaker, telling Teja Garan, Fator Malla. On their house door, Fator Malla, they complaint kela ki illegal poultry farming solar just behind their house, that is near football ground. So, Sarpanch, this is very important because as per the health department, it is said it is illegal and it is unhygienic, and I will make her speak. This is regarding still landfilling. 1 second, sir. She's written a few points because she needs the courage to speak and we have to give everyone a chance.
And first time Gram Sabha. सर पळय आतां पिटर रावता न्ही आमच्या दुर्गार आपणाचें कन्स्ट्रक्शन करून कोंब्यो कातरता थिंगासर तेणें हें कोंबी कातरता तें सगळें रोवप सगळ्यांक बांय कमी केल्यार आमकां व्हेरी डिफिकल्ट दॅट स्मेल कम्स विथ इट वी हॅव कंप्लेंट दिस एंड पंचायत बट पंचायत इज नॉट टेकिंग एनी एक्शन.
पंचायतीन एक्शन घेवना अशें न्हू तेणी हेल्थ डिपार्टमेंटाचो रिपोर्ट वील बी कमींग सो एक्शन वील बी टेकन. आय थिंक द इन्स्पेक्शन इज ऑलरेडी तुमचो कोण एडवोकेटाचो मनीस येयलो ताका सांगला मांडे काय ट्युजडे काय वेनसडे कितें इन्स्पेक्शन दवरलेलें आसा. सो दॅट टायम हेल्थ ऑल्सो वील बी कॉल्ड. सो there is a procedure to be done. I cannot just go there and stop anything. आयज तुमी म्हणटा शेतकारान कितें तरी करचें. आयज लिंडा बाबट मारता. आयज जर शेत रोवंक जायना जाल्यार कितें तरी करपाक जाय म्हणून. सो दिस इज समथींग वॉट ही हॅज डन इज डेअरी फार्मिंग पोल्ट्री. ना तुजें ऑब्जेक्शन आसा तें हेल्थाक बरयलां. सो तेजो निकाल येवन वी वील टेक एक्शन. There is a procedure. I just cannot come to your place and do something which is illegal. It cannot be done according to your wishes. Or तो सांगता म्हणून ते सांगता म्हणून म्हाज्यान करूंक जायना.
We have the health report also.
So we will.
Sarpanch, you have the health report also.
Wednesday we will be having that inspection and we will take that cognizance of that.
On Wednesday, will you come and check on the same? Because health department, everyone said that it's illegal. Okay, this is one part of it.
So regarding cattle is already discussed.
No, wait.
No, because you are here. No.
1 second. Regarding the road works, see, if I'm a citizen, I have given points. 1 second, I told you it's not the same.
This is not your meeting. You please say. Or go according to this. So now, these are the points I have already discussed because we were fighting with them.
I am not fighting. I have already done. Regarding the road work, see, I am not being allowed to speak because I am speaking with points. Sir, regarding the road work, I have requested Peter, I have requested the secretary to have a road committee. Have a road committee so
सांगलेलें आसा आमी कमिटी करता आसतना नेक्स्ट ग्रामसभा करतले म्हणून दॅट मीन्स यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग
No, I said give to the road committee.
any committee
Yes.
whoever wants please suggest your names and we will do it.
Please maintain the road committee. That is my suggestion in the letter also.
Okay.
So the next thing is the stray cattle.
Cattle, I will discuss, I will say, because cattle is becoming a problem which I have already said. That's what I told you also, I have discussed this. So let us not
No,
discuss.
so wait, so I have points. Listen.
Yeah.
There has been an accident. A 2-year-old आणि 5 वर्षाचे चेडू accident झाला हिंगा आमच्या तालिगाव मार्केटेन.